Good morning, my dear students. So today we are going to do some numericals. We are going to solve some numericals which are given in your textbook. This you are supposed to write in your notebook along with the exercise which I have given you. We had already written few sums, that is 8 sums in the notebook regarding the numericals of length. So today we are going to solve some word problems in the form of word problems. So the things which the exercise that I have given you already in the notebook can be asked through in filling the blanks, whereas this word problems can be asked in the for solving the sums. It may be a whole new question. Okay, so let's start with the first word problem showing measurement of length. Now let us read the question first. Hathasham walked 2 kilometers alone. Then he met his friend and walked about 0.5 kilometer more with him to the national park. How many meters did Artasham walk altogether? So first we have to find out how much Artasham has walked altogether, right? So let's read it again. Artasham walked 2 kilometers alone. He walked alone and then he met his friend and walked about 0.5 kilometer more with him to the national park. How many meters did Tasham walk all together? You have to find out how many meters did he walk all together. So first of all, we will find out that what is the distance that Tasham actually walked. So total, I hope it is clear to you. Total distance walked. By whom? By Artasham. How many? 2 kilometer plus 0.5 kilometer. So is equal to 2 kilometer plus 0.5 kilometer. So which is equal to 2.5 kilometer. Right? Now, here it is asked how many meters did Tasham walk altogether. We got it in kilometer. Now, we have to find out in meter. So, what we have to do? We have to convert kilometer to meter. Isn't it? Kilometer to meter. Let us first here write our King Henry method. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, right? Now U is the base. So now we are supposed to convert kilometer to meter. So where is kilometer? It's here. Then okay, yeah, now it is visible to you. This is kilometer, right? Now you have to convert kilometer to meter. Meter will be at the unit place. So kilometer to meter, if you have to convert, how many jumps are you supposed to take? It's 1, 2, 3. 3 means 1,000, right? And you are converting from bigger to smaller unit. When you are converting from bigger to smaller unit, you are supposed to multiply. So this 1,000 will be like this only. Now you have to convert kilometer to hour. So how many kilometers are you supposed to convert? It's 2.5 kilometers. So 2.5 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Right? Now we have to find this. Now, before finding directly 2.5 kilometer, I know you all know how many kilometer, 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters. You can directly write the answer also. But here we have to show the steps. So that is why first we have to find out, always find out whenever anything is given over here to find out, always find out first how many 1 kilometer or 1 meter or 1 centimeter is. So 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? It's 1,000 meter, right? 1,000 meter, because here we had seen that 1,000 you have to write it in a multiplication place. Now you have to find out 2.5 kilometer is equal to how many meters, right? Now this 2.5 will come this side. So 2.5 into this 1,000 will come here. 1000 meter, because we have to convert them, right? So how much it will become? It will become 2500, 2500 meter. Now understood? This sums already I have taught in the class also. So this is the total. So how much Earth Ashram walked? Earth Ashram walked 2500 meter all together. Okay. So this is the answer. The next question is, Inaya planted rose plants along both sides of the footpath to her home, which is 0.05 kilometer long. How many meters she would have planted altogether? Now you have to first of all find the how many you have to find out how many plants did she grow altogether. Now let's read the question again. Inaya planted rose plants along both sides of the footpath. Now you see, always there is, when there is a road or a footpath, on the both side means this side and this side, right? Both the sides. So now what is the length of the footpath? It's 0.5 kilometer. That means 0.05 kilometer this side and 0.05 kilometer this side. So you have to add this both first, and then you have to convert it to the that how many meters did she planted. So first of all, we will write her total length. Now we have to first write how much length is there, because 0.5 and 0.5. So one side is 0. Sorry, it is 0.05 and not 0.5. 0.05 kilometer plus 0.05 kilometer, which is equal to 0.1 kilometer or 0.10 kilometer, right? So this is the total length, that on counting both the sides, right? Now what you have to do? Now we have to convert. What we have to convert? Kilometer. You see, here it is given in kilometer and you are told to find out in meter, right? So convert kilometer to meter. So when we want to convert kilometer to meter, first of all, 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? That you have to write. So 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? We have seen here. Kilometer, this one, King Henry. Kilometer, then meter is here. So 1, 2, 3, that is 1000 meter. But when you are converting bigger value to smaller value, you are supposed to multiply. So here we have to write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, right? It is equal to 1000 meter. Now you have to convert 0.1 kilometer is equal to 1 or 0.10 kilometer. You can even write 0.10 kilometer over here, which is equal to how much? So this 0.10 will come here. 0.10 into 1000. This 1000 meter will come here, which is equal to 100 meter, right? So this is the answer. So what we can write here as a concluding sentence? Inaya planted 100 meter all together. That means total this side and this side, it is 100 meter. Okay, so this is the solution for the second sum. Now let's move on to the third sum. It's Nuseba is 4 feet tall and Neha is 1 centimeter tall. Who is taller and by how many centimeter? Now see, we have to compare them both, right? we have to compare them both and find out in centimeter that who is taller than whom. So now first of all, what is given to us? So right here, given, what is given to us? That Nuseba's height is is how much? It's 4 feet, right? And Neha's height is 120 centimeter. So Neha, we are supposed to find out in centimeter, right? That how many centimeters, by how many centimeters they are taller to each other, and who is taller. You have to find out. So we have to find out in centimeter. So already Neha's height is in centimeter only. So we need not convert anything to this. We need not do anything to this. We have to only find out, convert this one. So what we have to do, we have to convert this 4 feet into centimeter. Then we can compare. Then both of them will be having the same unit, right? So it will be easier for conversion. So first of all, we will write Nuseba's height is 4 feet, right? Now 1 foot, what we have to do, you have to convert 4 feet to dash centimeter. Now you have to convert this feet to centimeter. So 1 foot, as we have seen in previous classes, 1 foot, if you want to convert in centimeter, it is 30.5 centimeter. It is 30.5 centimeter. 1 foot is equal to 30.5 centimeter or 12 inches, right? Now, if we want to convert 4 feet, it is equal to, now 4 feet will go this side, 4 will go this side. So 4 feet into 30.5 centimeter, which is equal to 122 centimeter, 122 centimeter. This we have found out in centimeter, right? Now we have Nuseba's height in centimeter, right? Nuseba's height is equal to 122 centimeter and Neha's height is here. See, 120 centimeter is already given. See, now you can compare because both the units are same, right? See, centimeter. Now it is easier for you to convert. So who is taller? It's Nuseba. So you have to write a concluding sentence. Nuseba is, because we are asked, no, who is taller? Then Nuseba is taller than Neha. Then it is written by how many centimeter? So by how many centimeter? Nuseba's height is 122 centimeter and Neha's height is 120 centimeter. So how many centimeter difference? It's 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter. So this is the concluding sentence. Then comes the fourth one. Would you like to write with a pencil which is 6 centimeter long or 6 inches long? Now you are given a pencil. Now you have been asked that whether you will like to write with a pencil which is 6 centimeter long or which is 6 inches long. You have been asked, right? Now what we will do, we will convert this inches to centimeter, which will be easier for you, right? So first, then we can compare once, because you see here the unit is different, here the unit is different. If both the units are different, then it is harder for you to compare. So what we will do, we will convert first this inches, that is 6 inches is equal to how many centimeter, right? We have to first find out because this is given in centimeter. So we can either convert this into inches or this into inches into centimeter or centimeter into inches. Anyways you can do. So we are converting 6 inches first. So first, we before converting directly to directly 6 inches, we will convert first, right? 1 inch is equal to how many centimeter? As we have learned, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Then 6 inches is equal to how many centimeter? Right? How many centimeter? Then you have to take this 6 inch this side, that is 6 into how many? 2.54 centimeter, which is equal to 15.24 centimeter. See, now we have already seen learned in the rules of the ruler, if after the point it's half or more than half, then we round up to the next value. If it is less than half, that means less than zero point 0.5, then we will convert it into the previous value. Now you see, it's less than half, right? It's 2.4, so it's less than half, so we will remove this and we will keep the 15 centimeter, because you have to round up with the previous one. So it comes 15 centimeter. Now we have got the size of this one, 6 inches, that is 15 centimeter. Now we will write the comparison. Now what is the first pencil's length? First pencil's length is 6 centimeter, right? Because it's given over here 6 centimeter. And second pencil's length is how many? 15 centimeter. Now, which one is longer? Which you will like to be? We like a long pencil, right? Not a short pencil. We like long pencil. So which one is longer over here? The second pencil is longer. Yes. So we will like to write with the second pencil. So concluding sentence, we would like to write with a pencil which is 15 centimeter long. Or you can write here 6 inches long, because we have converted, no? 16 centimeter or 6 inches long. It's here, okay? Hope you have understood. And now this sentence, no, directly you can take it from here. Would you, because it is asked as a question, so it is written would you. So instead of you, when you are writing it, you can write it in as an answer. We would like to write with a pencil which is 6 inches long, or 6 inches or 15 centimeter long. So this is the fourth solution also. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Stay home, but keep on learning. If you don't understand this any sum, please let me know so that I can explain it again in the class. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself and keep washing your hands.